Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable a PIN code on the FlyNet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the user settings button down below that you can find in the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on or scroll down to the user preferences section, and then click on the use PIN code button. Then you should enter your new PIN code and re-enter the PIN code. After that, you should be able to use it when you log into the application. And you can also change your PIN code by going back to this section, tapping on the change PIN code button, and then you should enter your old PIN code, and then your new PIN code should be entered and re-entered, and then it will be changed automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.